Welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we'll be dealing with the use of combinatorial analysis to solve binomial expansion. So let's take some examples and see how we're going to get it. I hope you've watched the previous video. If you haven't watched it, go and watch it before you watch this. So let's take example. Example 1. Example number 1 says using combinatorial analysis comma and expand 2x plus y raised to power of 3. So let's get into the solution. Now you should recall from the previous video that a plus b raised to power of 3 using combinatorial analysis is 3 combination 0, right? A raised to power of 3, b raised to power of 0, plus 3 combination 1, a raised to power of 2, b raised to power of 1, plus 3 combination 2, a raised to power of 1 and b raised to power of 2, plus 3 combination 3, a raised to power of 0 and b raised to power of 3. So, and we know that 3 combination 0 is 1, and then multiply by a cube multiplied by 1 plus 3 combination 1. We said any number combination 1 is that number, so that is 3a squared b plus 3 combination 2. We got that to be 3 as well. A b squared plus 3 combination 3 is 1. We know any number combination, the same number is 1. So 1, a raised to power of 0 is 1. Then we have b cubed, so that we will arrive at a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. So combinatorial analysis has justified this for us. So we need to now use this to answer this. So what we'll do now is to compare. So compare a plus b cubed with 2x plus y raised to power of 3 such that our a is equal to 2x and then our y is equal to so that our b is equal to y. So we are taking this value now. So we say 2x plus y raised to power of 3 is equal to a raised to power of 3. Now a raised to power of 3 is 2x raised to power of 3. So 2x raised to power of 3 plus 3 a squared. So multiply by a. Our a is 2x. So 2x raised to power of 2 multiply by our b is y plus 3 open bracket. Our a is 2x multiply by our b is y squared plus b raised to power of 3. B is equals to y, so our y is raised to power of 3. So 2x to the power of 3, that is 2 times 2 times 2, and that is 8. 8x cubed plus, here we have 3 multiplying 2 raised to the power of 2x raised to the power of 2, so that's 4x squared multiplying y plus 3 times 2x is 6x multiplying y squared plus y cubed plus y cubed. So get down So this becomes 8x raised to the power of 3 plus, here we have 3 points, that is 3 multiplied by 4x squared. So 3 times 4 gives us 12. So that's 12x squared. 12x squared multiplied by y So plus, here we have 6x multiplied by y squared. 6x multiplied by y squared, so we can write them together. So plus y cubed. So our final answer is 8x cubed plus 12x squared y plus 6xy squared plus y cubed. So we've just used this answer we got from combinatorial analysis to expand this, to expand a plus b, to expand 2x plus y raised to power of 3. So this must be done when a question asks you, using combinatorial analysis, expand it. So this combinatorial analysis must be done to get what you want to get, to expand the given binomial equations. Let's take example number 2. Example number 2 and see another dimension of which this is applicable. Example number 2 says, using combinatorial analysis, comma, expand 3x minus 2y raised to the power of 2. So in this case it's just 2. So let's get into the solution. So the first thing we must do is to recall the process of combinatorial analysis. So that says that a plus b raised to the power of 2 is equals to 2 combination 0, right? A raised to the power of 2, b raised to the power of 0 plus 2 combination 1, a raised to the power of 1, b raised to the power of 1 plus 2 combination 2, a raised to the power of 0 and b raised to the power of 2, and that is where that ends because it's just raised to the power of 2. 2 combination 0, you know that to be 1. A squared, right? A squared multiplied by 8 squared multiplied by b raised to the power of 0 is 1 plus 2 combination 1. Any number combination 1 is that number, right? So we have 2 a and a raised to the power of 1 and b raised to the power of 1 plus 2 combination 2. Any number combination the same number is 1. So a raised to the power of 0 is 1 multiplied by b squared. So eventually we have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So now that we've gotten this, we are now going to compare what we got from a plus b squared with our given parameters, that is 3x minus 2y raised to the power of 2, such that a is equal to 3x and then our b is equal to minus 2y. So let's get that. So therefore we say that 3x minus 2y all squared is equal to, so where we have a squared we put 3x, so 3x squared, so that will be 3x all squared plus, the next thing is 2ab, 2, you know our a is 3x, so we say 2 multiplied by 3x multiplied by our b is minus 2y. multiplied by minus 2y. So you must be very careful to include this minus as it is important in the calculation. So plus b squared. Remember, b squared is minus 2y. So plus minus 2y all squared. So this is equal to 3 times 3, 9, x times x is x squared, plus 2 times 3 is 6x, multiplying minus 2y, plus minus 2y multiplied by minus 2y because it's squared. So minus 2y multiplied by minus 2y is 4y squared. So this is equals to 9x squared 6x, okay, plus 6x minus 2y. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times minus 2 is minus 12 xy plus 4y squared. So this is equals to 9x squared plus times minus is minus 12xy plus 4y squared. So this is our final answer of the expansion using combinatorial analysis of 3x minus 2y raised to power law 2. I believe you understood everything we did in this video. Watch it carefully, put down all the processes in your memory and get them perfect. Bye bye. See you in the next video.